Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at the chat feature in Zoom. Yes, the chat feature in Zoom. Very important because a lot of time we're actually in a Zoom meeting and we don't know exactly how to type in the chat or how supposed to do certain things in the chat. Alright, the first thing you will see this on your screen, security. When you click on it, you notice the word chat here. Tick, ensure that this is this tick right here. Right, then the next thing again now you're going to look right here. You notice the word chat. When you click, you bring up this particular window here. But if you notice right here, it said to everyone, right? If you notice right here, to everyone. But if you want to change that, you can come right at this little pointer right here. Press up more, you notice, you can say no one chat in it. If you're a host, you can come right and click here. Or you can say the host and co-host alone can do all the talking, or you can say everybody, right? So as a host, you can know exactly which one you want to put it on. That's very important. So now when you have it to everyone, now I'm going to type something here. So when I type something here, is that everybody in the group will see, right? You notice it show up right here, but we show in everybody group, right? So very important. So what if I want to insert like a document or so in the chat? I'm going to go about it. Click back on the chat, right? If you notice this little folder right here, look like a folder, I'm going to click on it. And once you click on it, it's a Dropbox. You can get file from OneDrive, on Google Drive. Here, you can get from Microsoft. You can also get it from your desktop. So if I click right here, I can actually take the file directly from my desktop, right? Notice it's right over here to the right. You can actually scroll down like that. Scroll. Notice different file on the desktop. You can actually scroll up like that. Scroll until this file. Alright, if you notice this itself is a presentation, you can actually click on it and then click right here, should open. Click on open. Alright, notice right over here. And notice on here show that it's successful. Yeah, it's very important. And if you want to save this particular file, save it as chat, just come right here. You look at that. Notice right up here it says save chat. When I click on it, right, it says save. You can actually open the folder and actually see it in it. Right, so everybody inside, all of these persons actually get. So if you want to close this window, you can come right here, right, and you notice you see the word pop out, but if I click on pop out, you notice it come right here in the middle. If I come right at this text here and close it. Right, I'm going to go back now. I'm going to click and chat. You notice it's showing in the middle. But what about if I want it back here? What I can do, I can come back here, literally click that here and go down. Notice and merge meeting window. When I click, it actually go right back. So I want to close it. I'm going to click right here and then click close. Right? If you notice, keep per individual in the group. So I want to send a message directly to this particular person. How can I really do it? I just come right at this little point here. So you look at that and the person name, right? And then actually click. And if you click, this is where chat, right? And then I can say, how are you? Are you? Right? And then you go there. Only this individual alone will get it. Right? You notice right here is specific on this individual. So if you want to get this one also, you can also click right here. And notice is a chat right there. Right? And then you can say bless. Just like that. And this is individual. Actually get it. When you finish, you can actually come like this and close it. So if you in a meeting and you see a friend here, when I see for this long while, I want to send a personal message. The only thing you have to do, the request right up here. Notice you look for that and just click right there. And notice when this come down, it says this is a chat. So send it individual to that particular person. So nobody else will get it apart from that individual person. Right, so very important. So I hope you have learned something from this video. And if this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up and write a comment, right? And share it with your friend. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.